introduction of the purpose of discussion, recommendation, and closure of whatever document will be writing about academic performance, Mkhanyakude will feature in. Yikho ngilwa nabantu that always complain about code not working and so forth. When Mkhanyakude is able to produce these results and under these conditions, and we are happy today, Public Works and RGZ, that you were able to give us these facilities, especially for Dlilang. Dlilang has been operating in a facility that is not conducive for years, Principal. And we are offering technical subjects. But the department then took a decision to say, let us build a school, a better school with laboratories, with all the facilities that will support your curriculum. But you continue to perform whilst we were operating and teaching and learning in mobile classrooms. And I don't know what you're going to do. It means you get 100% bachelors. Now that you'll be doing experiments in the laboratories. You know, and that's a beautiful story to tell colleagues, especially when you are pushing academic education agenda, to say these are the stories that you need to tell, and you need to protect education, and you need to create a conducive environment for teaching and learning. Sabonga Babmot for leading this district. Sabonga Public Works for producing this and managing and giving us these beautiful facilities under the circumstances that we have been faced with, especially with regards to the delays in payments and so forth. Let us then proceed with the items that we need to get in terms of our agenda.